Buongiorno a tutti. Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I have my chopstick ready and I'm going to use the same method that I used yesterday to make the multi-layered loaf to make some wonderful sweet pastries. I'm going to use puff pastry and some Sicilian flavors. That's going to be a pistachio cream, which is similar to that famous hazelnut spread that everyone loves. I'm going to use some blood orange marmalade from Sicily, but you can use any kind of jam or marmalade that you prefer. And I'm going to add some cinnamon to make it Christmassy and some chopped almonds for a bit of a crunch. These are hopefully going to turn out to be really pretty, and if you enjoy the way they turn out and like this recipe, please click down below, follow me here on YouTube, pass on the word to your friends, and let's enjoy together. They're going to take about 30 minutes to make, so really quick and easy. And I'm going to turn on the oven now and get started. I hope you'll follow me. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need puff pastry, pistachio cream, or you could use Nutella or another spread of your choice, marmalade or jam, this one is Sicilian blood orange, almonds, cinnamon, a chopstick, and maybe some powdered sugar for decoration.